Hello. A lot of dry weather will persist through this weekend, but for some there is some much needed rain on the cards, particularly through the course of today. I'll have more for you coming up.
I see you're thinking hard about that one. What do you think?
I am thinking hard and thinking about the donkeys near me, and they don't look that tall. We've got a field just round the corner where I live.
Have you measured them?
I haven't measured them, no. I used to walk past when the girls were little. My girls were little, and they were never bigger than, well, certainly me, probably bigger than my girls when they were small, because they're bigger than me now.
Sorted out.
Well. Yeah. Anyway, I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about the fact that we've got some rain in the forecast today, much needed rain for some of us, and there are Met Office yellow warnings out as a result of that. But not for all. In fact, for many in the east, it's going to be a dry day again, and it's going to be brighter than it was yesterday as well. The reason for the rain is this area of low pressure linked in with this weather front here. So we're drawing up southerly winds ahead of it. That's why we had so much cloud yesterday as well coming in from the east. So we've got some fine weather for many of us today. I say it should be brighter, but when this rain comes along, for example, for Northern Ireland, southern and western Scotland, where we have the Met Office weather warnings, we're talking about 20 to 40 millimetres of rain, because it'll just become almost stationary for some parts, with little pulses of heavier rain running along it. Now, ahead of it, there's some early morning mist and fog. I drove through some across southern and eastern areas this morning, 1 or 2 dribs and drabs of rain, but it's a brightening picture. That mist and fog clearing by about 9 o'clock, and then some sunshine, more than yesterday, for example, in eastern Scotland and in central and eastern parts of England. Just a gentle breeze, so feeling pleasant. Fairly brisk breeze, but from the south accompanying this rain, particularly across the northwest of Scotland. So temperatures here just 12 or 13, but round the Moray Firth, perhaps 17 or 18, and 17 or 18 more widely than yesterday across central and eastern parts of England, where it will feel more pleasant because we've got that sunshine. But the rain moves into northwest England through tea time. The heaviest rain more persistent in Scotland overnight, a weakening band of rain, or a narrowing band of rain across many central and eastern areas. So we might have a little bit of rain for the gardens, even across central and eastern parts of England. And it should be a slightly fresher night. It's quite mild out there this morning to start this Saturday morning. So the second part of the weekend sees that weather front moving out of the way, the low pressure pulling away from Scotland as well, and showers following, but a ridge of high pressure trying to build in. So I think I'm trying to tell you that it looks like the brighter day of the two tomorrow. Yes, there will be 1 or 2 showers around. We've got that early morning rain to clear, still that low pressure system at the north of Scotland, but by and large, I think we'll see drier, brighter weather, more sunshine, and more widely temperatures into the mid-teens tomorrow, even across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Looks like a drier day here in western areas. As we look further ahead into next week, we keep high pressure building into the south, but the west and the north is looking rather more unsettled once again, with some rain. But of course, as we know, it is much needed rain at the moment, but some fine and some dry weather to get out and about this weekend for some of us.
And yeah, you're right. May not like it, but we do need a bit of rain. Thank you.
16 minutes